GCSS-Army here, back with another GCSS-Army video. This is part 12 of our series on demand analysis. My previous video, I had a hard time getting up the PDF version to show you how I send it to a commander. But in this video, I'm just going to show you how to set up the PDF and, for digital signature and so forth. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this right here, and I'm going to show you what I've done. All right, so basically what I do is I showed you guys how to print your ATF report. I print to Adobe, and then this first portion here is what populates. So the next thing I add is the date, ATF report, and the MRP area that I'm currently working. Now, if you remember when we went to print it, this information down here, number of lines, all that stuff was actually on the website or the screen. So I just use my snip tool and I snip it, and this is how I let the commander know. So like I said, insert a signature block here, and he can just double click and he can sign it, and you are good for CMDP purposes. So CMDP purposes, just keep in mind you have to keep your demand analysis file until the next demand analysis. So hope this video was helpful. Like I said, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Please leave some new ideas, some things you want to learn, some things you want to explore down in the comments section down below. And as always, go Ordnance.